Hey, welcome back, my dear friend. And now in this lesson, we are going to explain and create your category menu and your header menu and customized theme. Because without your menu, your website not look like professional, and you need to customize your theme and you need to create a category because every type software, courses, plugins, themes launching every single day. So you need to create some category. Okay. So let's jump on our website. And what you need to do, click on here the post and category option. Okay. So once you're going on the manchai.com, then you can see so many types software and courses, plugins launching every single day. So I have graph category. So also you can see on here video software, info product, affiliate marketing software, Facebook software, ClickBank, Instagram, WP plugin, themes, SEO and courses, marketing, and a lot of software on here. So I'm going to create our category first of all. Okay, and click the update, and I'm going to choose another product called info and click add category, and another affiliate marketing product and software. Okay, so and another traffic software. Okay, so you can see a lot of categories, approximately 20 and 30 category product launching every single days and every single month. So you can create all category on here. Some software launching like text to speech, and some software launching about building a funnel, and some software. So I have missed out some categories, so you need to just research yourself. Okay, because it is take a lot of time. So you can see I have create a lot of category. So you can create a category, and please just think and go to and search on here, and you will find a lot of category. Okay, and next step, create a pages and menu. Okay, so you can see on here what menu you need: home page, about us, blog, review, and free gift, and contact us. So what you need to do: about us, blog, and contact us, privacy policy. So you can click on here new, you can create a home page. You can see it is a new a menu creating method. So if you are not familiar with, simply go to back and click the plugin session. Okay, and install classical editor. Okay, so click on here and click install on here. Okay, and click the new page, and you can see, just type your name and publish. So about us, blog, and homepage created. So simply click on here and click the menus, and delete. I need to delete this. Okay, and home page in above, and here you just add some videos and click on here and create a new, and here you can put just, and here you can create a review. Okay, review menu, and click the middle. After then category, you can most video, click on here and add all. Okay, and every, just a minute, every software, every menus you can put the sub menu, and sub menu because it is your sub menu. And next, contact us, click on here, just bottom, and done. Okay, and click on the main menu and save. And menu is created, and now you can see your website. You can see home menu, blog, about us, and review. So some most people want to see what types review you're doing. So video software, affiliate marketing, audio to text, automation software, food software, ClickBank, code sales, CPA software, and email software, Facebook software, funnel software, high ticket courses, info, Instagram, and so a lot of, okay. So, and one thing is important about on here. If you want to uh, make your website is full with, here is sidebar, no sidebar, no sidebar. So simply click on here and customize. So simply just minus, and if you want to remove this, simply click on the general setting and boxes layout. Simply click the turn off. Once you click the turn off, your website is full with. Okay. You can see your website is full with, click the publish and off. And here you can see your website is full with. So now in next lesson, we are going to create about as your logo design, okay? Because you need to have a professional logo to your website. Without professional logo, your website does not look like a professional, just like look like ugly, okay? So uh, I hope you understand our every methods about how you can create a category and how you can create your menu and how you can customize your website. So if you want to know about how you can customize your website is full customization, you need to go to pro. You need to access our pro uh, or OTO, okay, because it is take a lot of time. Okay, so thanks for watching this lesson, and next lesson we are going to design professional logo. So thanks for watching, and I will meet you another lesson. Thank you.